guys, welcome to the first episode of Vlogmas. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ruth. I'm actually standing outside because I'm tired of starting my vlogs in my room. So yeah, I actually shot some clips a few days back, but I never officially made an intro. So this is the intro. Hi, my cousin and I are gonna go out. We're gonna look for some things, and then when we get back, I'll show you the stuff that I got the other day and today. So yeah, I just thought let me officially say hi to you guys, and I hope that you will enjoy Vlogmas this year. I really hope I will be consistent, and I really hope that you guys will enjoy the content that I have for you guys. So yeah, continue watching the vlog. It's windy, I hope you can hear me. So yeah, let me go. Bye.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Nice. My cousin says she doesn't know a visa. We got it in Toys R Us. I haven't seen it in a while. Like it's been years. I'm about to strawberry. I'm gonna kill a bit of heavy. Like me as I do at all. I'm gonna just try to do a 50 years. To play. Hey guys, I've been meaning to show you guys what I got the other day. I've just been too lazy to vlog, you know, and I've just been busy. So yeah, I just got the time now. Look, I need just a little bit of time. So I went to Selection Mart and I got this bathroom of thingy. Well, it depends what you want to use it for. So yeah, I got this. It was $100. So I'll put a picture of like my inspiration on the side so you guys see how I want to style this. So basically just like a fake plant diffuser, you know, something nice, something cute, you know, stuff that we use for the bathroom. Maybe like a TP, and then we'll see deodorant somewhere there, just stuff, you know, skincare, but so that it doesn't look clustered. So yeah, I really like this. I've been meaning to get it, but I'm not too sure if I like the silver finishing, the metal. If it's silver, I might spray paint this to like a brass or gold. We'll see as time goes on. I'll see how it looks in the house. If it doesn't look good, I'm gonna have to spray paint it. And then I also wanted to get those food decanter, I don't know what you call it, but those things are organization whatnot. So I saw them in Oriental Plaza, as well as the rugs. I'm trying to get a rug, so I really wanted to compare, like, because I saw some at Selection Mart. I know Furniture Paradise has some, but that's so expensive. I saw one at Fine Mart, so I went to Oriental Gadibo and I'm like, oh okay, these look exactly the same as the ones I've been seeing. Just that go Oriental, they have like some are $8.50, some are 1.2. So it depends which one you like, which one you like, but they're the same size, 1.6 meters by 2.3 meters. So yeah, we'll see what to do with that. Hi. So yeah, it is Black Friday today. I am going out, so we'll see what we can manage to get. We'll see what we manage to get today. Riley's getting ready for school, so I have to go. Guys, it's not full in Game City. But it's Black Friday. Like, I don't understand. But early Black Friday? Because majority of the shops are open. Well, it's 8 o'clock, but I know that some shops were opening about 7. I guess some even earlier than that. But I'm happy nonetheless. I'm not complaining. I'm happy that so I'll be able to look for whatever I'm looking for in peace. So I'm basically looking for some things for my boyfriend. I just want to do something nice for him. So I know Markham has a sale. I'm gonna check Markham. I don't know, might pass by at home, but I'm really just this Black Friday. I'm looking for stuff for my boyfriend. So yeah, you will see me in men shops a lot. But yeah, we'll see. I also wanted to get an advent calendar for the kids. Goat legs. So I hope I still find them because I saw them like last week. And then I'm like, if I buy them now, these kids are gonna use these things. So at least if I buy them today, because it's December, so yeah, it'll work. What was I saying? Oh, my mask. I was about to put on my mask. So we will chat a bit later. For now, let's go do some shopping. And then I start getting my weight. What is this, honey? I wish I had more money than I do now for Black Friday. But it's okay. We shall see. Alright, bye. Hey guys, I literally feel like I've been cheating on you guys because I haven't been vlogging. You know what? I don't even know what to say anymore. But you know what? I did everything myself. So I took a break, right? About a week. And then I thought there was more time till like I have to post my first video. So today is like the 20, I don't know, the day after Black Friday. It's a Saturday. A lot has been going on. It's actually peak season for like the beauty industry and stuff, because people are having weddings and events and graduation and everything. So I've been having a lot of clients, guys. I've been literally getting booked every single day, so I haven't had time to vlog that much, seriously. So yesterday I promised you guys that I was gonna show you guys once I was in the mall, in the shops and everything. I only managed to vlog a bit in at home. I was looking for some things, but I'm gonna get them on Monday, or hopefully they're still there. And then that's for my mom. And then I managed to get some stuff for my boyfriend, but the shop was packed. Like, it was so packed that there were people standing outside waiting to go inside. There was a queue inside. It was just a mess. But I did manage to get him some stuff, although I didn't get the right sizes. I have to go change. So hopefully when I get them from him, I will be able to show you guys. I hope I remember to show you guys, but I really got bargains, really nice stuff, or literally more than 50% off, you know. So yeah, I was happy about that. I hope that I will be able to find stuff to change with. Like, I hope that the items are still there so that I can exchange for the right sizes. Today is a Saturday. I am glammed up. I'm wearing black because I am going to an event. So my boyfriend's family is having an event. It's like a dinner, and I was invited. So yeah, the theme is black. I'm wearing this jumpsuit. I don't know if I feel comfortable because this jumpsuit has like the side boob. It's not bad. What is this, honey? Okay, it has the side boob, but it's not bad. So yeah, I hope I will be comfortable. It's quite cold, so I am gonna get a coat in case I feel cold, then I can put it on. But yeah, other than that, this is me. I am gonna put on some red lipstick just for the pop. I did my hair, my puff, something cute and simple. I'm wearing these earrings from Modern Boutique, and then this necklace is from Legit. Nails still the same. I'll show you guys my shoes properly, guys. So yeah, I think that's about it. I wanted to update you guys before I leave so that this vlog can make sense. So yeah, I was just showing you guys a jumpsuit that I got from Aisha. If you don't follow Aisha Ferguson on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing with your life. So she's so nice, guys. She's so nice. And I know, I realized that time to time, like time and again, she would sell her stuff, like her clothes. She has amazing taste in clothes. I think she and I are about the same size, although she is shorter than me. But yeah, so I'm always literally waiting for this. So this is the first time that I purchased from her, first time I talked to her, and she's so nice. So please do follow her on Instagram, Aisha Ferguson. And then if she does have a sale, make sure to buy something. Like, she's always buying stuff from like Zara and H&M and, you know, all these dope stuff, like these UK brands. So yeah, she sells those, obviously not at the price that she bought them from, but most of the stuff I knew. So this jumpsuit that I got was very new. I got it from her and I cannot wait to wear it, guys. I haven't tried this on because I don't want to disappoint myself in case it's big, but I am going to wear it nonetheless. I'm gonna style this jumpsuit, okay? Anyway, let's go before I start rambling. Well, I have started rambling, but let's go, guys. Hey guys, I'm home. As you can see, my makeup is off already. I got home, I think, about 2 hours ago. So yeah, I just freshened up. It's cold, so yeah, I'm cuddled up. I've been catching up on the internet and stuff. So yeah, I just thought, let me update you guys. I've got a little visitor here, this pimple, but it will go away soon. So yeah, I think I had a nice time. I had a great time. I really did. The food was nice, guys. The food was amazing. I ate everything and finished. Yeah, the food was nice. Literally, like, there's nothing I can complain about. Everything was nice. The atmosphere was good. And I was just thinking, wow, I'm here. I was just thinking by myself how it's way to actually get along with like your partner's family and stuff like that. So like I'm really blessed to have them in my life, like just how they've accepted me and everything, and just opened their arms to me. So like I'm really, really grateful for that. And I was just talking to my boyfriend, like, how blessed am I, really? Like I don't know, it just made me emotional. I don't want to lie. It just made me emotional, and I really pray that it's something that will keep forever, like we'll keep getting even closer. The bond will get stronger and stuff. So yeah, that's just about it. I am about to sleep, so I thought let me update you guys before I pass out. Yeah, tomorrow is a Sunday. Sadly, I'm gonna have to live link from home because I have a client. I have clients the whole day. So yeah, I am gonna have to live link. Yeah, so I guess I will see you guys tomorrow. I did show you guys a clip of the t-shirts that I got my boyfriend, but that's just two of them. I also got him two pairs of pens. Yeah, so but I got them from Macam. I got everything from Macam. So they had a sale where you spend 500 and then you get a free cap. So yeah, I think I spent around, okay, let me not say, but yeah, I spent that much. It was more than 500, so they gave me or him a free cap. I chose a black cap, a flat cap. I don't know if I'll be able to crop out his picture and put the cap somewhere here if it shows. It's actually a cute little cap. Yeah, what's the brand again? Relay. Yeah, so this is about it. I wanted to have tea, but I'm too lazy to get out of bed, so I am gonna sleep. Good night. Even if you're gonna be watching this in the morning, good night. Hey guys, I just came here to close off this vlog. I know it was a little bit all over the place, but I do apologize for that. I am gonna start vlogging like proper, like moving forward after this vlog. So yeah, I am closing this vlog now. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. If there's something I forgot to clarify and everything, please do ask me in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer to your questions. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog, though it was all over the place. I am gonna start another vlog now. My daughter and I are going out, but you're gonna see that in the next episode of Vlogmas. So yeah, thank you once again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.